everybody, this is Donna Miller. I am with Miller Crafts and I've got a quick and easy card for you today. So the first thing I did was I cut out a base layer card base that will go on a standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I just cut this is a 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to glue this down onto my card. I'm using art glitter glue. This is the best glue that I have found for card making. I would highly recommend this glue. I bought mine from maymaymadeit.com. So I would check out her website. So I'm just going to glue that down. And then this is a blue mat that I have. I got this from Recollections. It's a Michaels card brand. So I'm just going to glue this down. And the nice thing about this glue is it doesn't warp your paper. So you don't have to worry about any kind of warping. So I'm just going to glue that down on there. And there is a little bit of wiggle room with this. So if you do mess up a little bit, you do have a couple seconds to try to replace it and make it straight. Okay, this is just, this is 1 inch. And this is the same thing as this base right here. So this is 5 inches across and 3.75 down. So this is a 1 inch by 5 on there. So I'm just going to glue that down here on the bottom. And here is my picture. I got this from Misskatecuttables. So it's just a simple flower. This is a very quick and easy card. I put some foam tape on the back. So I'm just going to get that foam tape off of there. And we're going to glue this down onto the side there. This one is going to turn out to be a thank you card. And I just thought that this flower just reminded me of spring and the warmer weather that's coming. Although today where I live right now, it's 30 degrees and yesterday was 70. So it feels really cold today. So I'm just going to place that down there. And I really like that I didn't put a patch of grass or anything down there because I really feel like it looks like a fresh cut flower that you would have picked from your garden. Okay, and this is going to be a thank you card, and I cut this out on my Cricut, and this is a trick that I like to do. So this is just black cardstock, and this right here is Glad Press and Seal. So I got this from the kitchen. This is the best stuff ever if you want to cut something out of cardboard and you want it to be in the same spot. You just want to varnish this on there really well. And it will stick to this. And then all of your letters will be in the exact same spot. So you don't even have to worry about your letters being crooked. So this is a really quick and easy trick that I like to use. So I'm just going to come down here and pull that down. Always pull your mat away. That's the best thing you can do, is to pull your mat away from your cardstock. And alright, so you can see that this is all sticking in the exact same spot. Just be careful when you're pulling your mat that you don't pull it too much or you'll break your mat in half. You don't want to do that. Alright, now you can see on here that this ripped a little bit on the T. I'm not going to sweat that. No one's going to know because this is where you're going to put your glue on it. No one will ever see that. So you're going to put your glue. And if you have this bottle, I really like this one. This is a quilling bottle that I got from Hobby Lobby, and my art glitter glue's in there. And this just will go real quick. And this art glitter glue, it'll stay and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. And then the nice thing is this is clear, so you can just look right through it and you can eyeball that. You can use the grid in behind you if you want. I like to just eyeball stuff personally. I mean, this is a handmade card, and I feel like, you know, it's not going to be perfect, and it shouldn't be. You know, that's the whole point of it being a handmade card. So you're just going to press that on there, and then you'll pull that back, and you can see a little bit of that ripped at the beginning. And I'm okay with that. I mean, I don't think, I'll cut that little piece off. I don't think it's going to make a difference. They're not going to really see that. Alright, and that is our quick and easy thank you card for the day, and then you can just fill in your inside with whatever you want. So what I actually did was recut out the thank you, and I just glued it back on top of what I had, and I got a much better result. It's thicker and it gives it more dimension, and I just really liked the way that it looked. So thank you so much for joining me today for this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it and maybe learned something new.